Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial from Biggerplate.com showing you how to efficiently navigate your MindMaster mind maps. Now the simplest way to navigate your mind maps is using any trackpad functionality or mouse functionality that may be included in your computer. So for example, I'm using a Mac laptop and the trackpad here allows me to use two fingers to scroll up and down and side to side as you might expect on, say, a smartphone. Alternatively, you have the scroll bars on either side or on the bottom. So for example, I can click and drag this screen up and down, or the one at the bottom here I can click and drag from side to side. You can also click and drag the central topic to again move your mind map where you want it to go. If you wanted to zoom in and out of your mind map, you can use the shortcut Command or Control on a PC and the plus and minus keys. So for example, the minus key to zoom out and the plus key to zoom in. You also have in the bottom right of the screen here this little drop-down menu or pop-up menu that has some preset zoom levels. So for example, we could say 75%, or we could take it up to 125. And within this, you'll also see there's an option here for whole page, which I find particularly useful, which will fit the current map and what's on view, what's currently on display within your screen. And those same options are available in the top menu here. So again, you've got those zoom presets and you've got this whole page button here. You'll also may have noticed down at the bottom here where you have your zoom presets, you also have this slider that you can click and drag to zoom in and out. Hopefully that's all you need to get started efficiently navigating your MindMaster mind maps. For more MindMaster template tutorials and training, visit biggerplate.com.